The rollout of the Pfizer COVID vaccine for children as young as 6 months old is underway, and it's on track to be a fast process.
News 8's Emily Leonard has what parents need to know from an infectious disease expert at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital.
So we're looking at approximately a month-long process.
On Tuesday, Pfizer and BioNTech took the first step toward getting emergency authorization to have their shots put into babies as young as 6 months old. Dr. Rosemary Olivero, an infectious disease specialist at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, believes approval can't come soon enough.
And children really are bearing the brunt of COVID-19 infections and even in many areas, hospitalizations.
One of the findings during clinical trials has put one question without answers out there. It was found that 2 to 4-year-olds who received the vaccine did not meet the study's endpoints for immune response. Children ages 6 months to 2 years old did.
So even though a third dose of the vaccine might be needed eventually, and the data will come out with to show us whether that will be beneficial or not, it still is a very important step to get children who don't have access to the vaccine yet, give them access to the vaccine so that they can have at least some protection.
Olivero points out just because the immune response for those 2 to 4 years old didn't meet the criteria, that doesn't mean the antibodies they did receive don't count.
Any immune response, even if it doesn't meet the antibody cutoff, is far superior to having no antibodies.
Another question, will parents vaccinate their babies? Numbers show only 25% of children ages 5 to 11 in Michigan are fully vaccinated. As any parent knows, children in the 6-month to 4-year age range are at the pediatrician's office more frequently, from receiving their other childhood vaccines to the seasonal ear infection or runny nose. Dr. Olivero says it's the perfect opportunity to have frank, face-to-face vaccine conversations with your child's doctor.
We are going to have to grapple with this virus over the years to decades to come.
As we see COVID infections and hospitalizations start to decline, Dr. Olivero says that may give some people false hope.
If you talk to epidemiologists and infectious disease specialists, our predictions, which we feel pretty darn certain about, is that COVID is indeed endemic now, meaning that it's going to be part of our normal circulating respiratory viruses year in, year out.
She urges parents who have questions to talk to their pediatrician because soon enough, the youngest among us will have their chance to get vaccinated.
They should have access to these extremely important vaccines just as adults have been, because COVID can indeed be a very serious health condition for some children and adolescents.
In Grand Rapids, Emily Leonard, News 8.